Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today is a beautiful Saturday. I have lots of work to be done, and today that work will get done. I have mail call videos that still need to be dropped. I have my first sponsorship video that still needs to be dropped. I have member boxes that needs to be sent out. I also have other boxes that needs to be sent out. So today is going to be a day of work, and then a half day of work and a half day of relaxation. You know, being back in the rat race, it's really been difficult for me to get everything accomplished the way that I used to get it accomplished. So if you requested something from me, and if you're a member waiting for your dragon fruit, well, the dragon fruit is a whole different story because I have to wait for that to get right before I send it out to you. If you have requested things, please be patient. You know, I got two arms, two legs. I'm not an octopus, you know, and time is not on my side. So be patient with me, but you will be getting your shipments, and I'm shipping them out today. Today you will, 3 days from today, you will get your shipments. So come with me as I harvest these two dragon fruits for two of the members. So these are two of the 5 members that are going to be receiving their dragon fruits. If you're not a member, consider subscribing to the membership. You never know what I might have popping off in the membership. It's only a couple of dollars, you know, but you never know. You will definitely always get your bang for your buck. Like last year, all my members got 1 complimentary box of lemons. That run is over. There's a few members that the lemons kind of turned on them, so they'll get a couple of box. They'll get a box, but after that, I have to find another way. Pardon me, I'm just tickled. Other than that, I'm gonna have to find another way to try to get these lemons out to the community. I know you guys love the lemons, but there's something else that I have to formulate a new plan on how to get these things out to you guys. Not just for the members, but for whoever else that would like to have lemons in the future. But for the members, you guys all got your complimentary box. It wasn't under the membership as you'll get lemons. It was just something like, hey, this is what I feel I can do for my members, being that dragon fruit season is far away, and I want to make sure that you're getting your money's worth, your $2.99 or your $3.99 that you pay every month, that you get something in return. So that was a gift from me to my members. But as the membership grows and as the page grows, I want you guys to know that everything that I do receive goes back into the page and back to the members and back to the community. So come with me as I harvest these 2 dragon fruits. And this right here is just one of the perks, is the opportunity to win a dragon fruit. You're not guaranteed a dragon fruit, but you have the opportunity to win a dragon fruit. Once again, you're not guaranteed to get a dragon fruit, but you are way closer to earning and winning a dragon fruit on a member giveaway. So these 2 dragon fruits right here will be harvested. There's one back here and one right here. And I just dropped a video on these dragon fruits. So these are the Vietnam whites. If you had already had a Vietnam white from me in the past, I tried to send you a different variety so that now you can taste what that variety tastes like. So for the new members, I'm gonna send the Vietnam whites. You get that first, and then we could move on from there. I got a couple of other fruits that are also blushing and turning red, like this one right here. This is the Godzilla. I was expecting that to be a way bigger fruit, but this was a throwaway plant. I was gonna dump this plant because the winter wasn't very kind to it, and it just wasn't worth having inside of a trellis. So I decided to just put it in an extra pot, see if it would give me one fruit, and that's exactly what it gave me, was one fruit. So now I get to taste that Godzilla. But according to the person that I had originally purchased that cutting from for $45, it was supposed to be a pretty big fruit. But as you can see, I pretty much get big fruits already, so I try to stay in the big fruit category. The Vietnam white that I did was a pound and 3.6 ounces, and the no ID was close to a pound. So I'm gonna harvest this, and I'm gonna put these in the boxes for the members, and I will continue to pack up the other boxes with different things that have been requested for me, and I'm gonna ship those out. All right. Also, another announcement. After this season is done, I'm gonna be getting rid of all of this whole trellis of dragon fruit right here. So put your coins together. If you would like a piece of this Vietnam white, this is a self-fertile, meaning that you don't have to hand pollinate it. You can just let it grow. When it flowers, it's gonna produce fruit on its own. I choose to hand pollinate because when you hand pollinate or cross pollinate, you tend to get a bigger fruit. So I will be getting rid of all of this to make way for new varieties of dragon fruits that I have coming, like the chameleon. I have a couple of variegated chimeras, sugar dragons. I have a plethora of new dragon fruit varieties that I would like to put in this area. So I will be getting rid of this at the end of the season. This whole, what you see here, I will be tearing this down. All right, guys. All right. So stand by for the harvest. And I'm gonna leave it on this vine so that it can continue to get whatever sweetness it can get from it. So I'll be shipping it just like this. This is number one. And this is number two. All right. All right, so just got through packing up the boxes. So if you get something like this, read the sign, danger. All right, it has thorns on it. Packed up all 4 boxes. About to head to the post office in a few minutes. You guys know the motto on the page, each one teach one, Juice It with Jay, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace.